sasama kayo sa Fujian, China, along with the Chinese nationals, if you do not personally know and you do not personally trust ADT Yang. Gaano nyo po kakilala si ADT Yang para sumama kayo sa Fujian, China, where you executed a contract with Zhangzhou, with Mayor Wang of Zhangzhou, Fujian?
In-invite po kami, hindi lang po ako kasama po yung mga konsyal nun. Tama pa po yung former Vice Mayor po, si Jonathan Pangan.
I understand, Mayor. Can you please enlighten us? What is this two countries twin park project all about?
Sorry po, Your Honor.
Ano po itong two countries twin park project which you executed with the Mayor of Zhangzhou, Fujian, when you were with ADT Yang?
Wala pong, hindi po makuha yung, wala po kami project na, nin-invite lang po kami doon, pinakita po yung waste to energy.
Ano po yon, Mayor?
In-invite po kami doon para pakita lang po yung waste to energy.
What was shown to you is a waste to energy
Yes po, Your Honor.
project.
Yes po, Your
But
Honor.
you belie having executed this two countries twin park project. Ganun po ba?
Wala po akong, in-invite po kami doon dahil gusto po nilang mag-invest ng waste to energy doon po sa Mexico. Kaya
Sa Mexico, Pampanga.
pinakita po sa amin yung waste to energy doon sa China po.
Okay. So, natuloy po ba itong waste to energy project sa Mexico, Pampanga?
Sorry po, Your Honor.
Natuloy po ba itong waste to energy
Hindi
project
po, Your
in
Honor.
Mexico, Pampanga?
Hindi po,
So,
Your Honor.
ibig sabihin po, yung pagkabisita nyo sa Fujian, China, it did not materialize to any project in Mexico, Pampanga? Is that what you wanted to say?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Wala pong nag-materialize. But since the reason why you visited Fujian, China is because of the invitation of ADT Yang, can you please enlighten us more? Ano ho ba yung sinasabi nyong maraming beses nyo na siyang na-meet at nakasama, even before this trip to Zhangzhou, Fujian?
Nung pong nagtatanong silang mga binibili nilang lupa. Yun lang.
Like how many times were you able to meet with him about acquisition of land? Ilang beses nyo na
Hindi
po
ko po
sila
ma-recall,
nakita?
Your Honor.
Would it be more than 10 times?
Hindi ko na po kayang mag-elaborate po ng mga question niyo. Your Honor, masama na po yung pakiramdam ko.
Mr. Chair, the resource person is manifesting that he's not